This is around 3 minutes after surgery. You can see the dwarf hamster is already fully awake and even pass some motion, some stools. And so his lower part has been clipboard and it was inflamed, as you can see from the previous video. And the owner will clean it. And overall, to control the diet and to check for glucose in the urine. So we will know in 1 month's time whether this hamster has diabetes or not, possible diabetes, or was just simply a very hungry, greedy hamster. 88 grams. The sibling is probably 45 grams. It's a sapphire dwarf hamster. The owner bought it from a pet shop, probably in Simei, called Pet Lovers Center, and there were 3. So she liked this one because it was the biggest of all. And she bought 2, one this one and the sibling. The funny thing is that both of them does not like to exercise in the wheel, which is very unusual. And so now this one we discovered the sense gland is also very dirty. So we clean up and clear the pus and the dirt secretions inside the sense gland. As you see in the other video, clip the lower part of the body board to provide ventilation and easy to wash for the easy access for the owner to wash. Then as to why this hamster doesn't like to exercise in the exercise wheel, he and his sibling, this is a mystery to me, because the owner bought several types of wheels, some with steps, and both of them just don't want to exercise on the wheel. So for anesthesia a hamster, you just have to be careful, because no owner wants a dead hamster, no matter whatever consent form for anesthesia, and knowing the anesthetic risk, they have agreed to. So fortunately she brought this hamster when the ward is small. Otherwise, if it involves the whole leg, in some cases, then the whole leg, the whole foot has to be amputated. Toa Payoh Vets, October 25, 2016. My fat hamster who loves to eat and eat has a toe wart.